So in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily sort in Excel 2006 and how to use the sort data on a single criterion feature. So we're not going to make it very complicated. I'm going to go over to my 09 Vet Clinic patient file that we've been using in the last few videos. And I'm going to go to my patient list, and I'm going to click on cell E5. So E5 will be the top owner number cell in my E column. And I'm going to go to the Data tab, and I'm going to go to the Sort and Filter group. This is what you need to look at when you need to sort and filter items in Excel. So we're going to simply sort smallest to largest. So ascending, so click that. And it's going to rearrange all your rows of data so that your owner number starts with 1 and works its way all the way up to number 51. You'll notice we have two number 51s, two number 50s, two number 49s. And then we can also go back up here and we can sort descending, highest to lowest. And then it'll start at 51 and work its way down to 1. We're going to do the same thing with column A. So I'm going to click A5. And we're going to go with patient name. So we're going to click A to Z, sort A to Z, so lowest to highest. Start with the A's. It's going to work our way down to the W's. We're going to do the same thing with descending. We're going to start with the W's and then work our way down to the A's. And that's all there is to sorting just on a single column or single. If you want to put things in alphabetical order or numerical, that's as simple as it gets.